Hi guys, I was reviewing the rough drafts and I just wanted to go over a few things that I've been seeing so that you can correct them on the final draft. So the first part are these thesis statements. So most of you are choosing one, and I think that's probably the best venue. Some of you have been choosing two-sided ones, and I think it'd be a lot easier if you just choose I have a growth mindset or a fixed mindset. And if you feel like you have both, you can address that in the conclusion. Another thing is that I need you to remove you. That's something that in academic writing people don't like. So make sure that you just remove the you and you just stick to general statements. Also, providing specific examples. So some of you have been really general about, I accept challenges. I do that a lot, for example. But I need you to specifically tell me when and how you accepted a challenge. So that goes for anything that you've chosen. Be very specific. Tell me one moment in time what happened and what occurred. Finally, please avoid run-on sentences, and that can be kind of difficult. It's a mistake that we all make, and it's something that I've put in under the videos under YouTube to help you with. And as always, if you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.